Passion versus adulting. Ahoy fellow builders, let's talk about this. At our age, 30, 40, and beyond, ang passion madalas kinakain ng obligasyon. Between bills, work, and family. I'm not saying that this is bad. Minsan, nakakalimutan lang nating huminga. Today, I'm building the MGSD Destiny Gundam. Sabi ng iba, bakit ang liit? Bakit mukhang pambata? Pero smart builders know, this isn't just an SD. This is master grade engineering pack into a packet size piece. Parang tayo, we might look shorter on energy than we were in 20. Pero yung internal frame natin, punong-puno na ng experience. Ngayon, let's go back to basics. Sa sobrang daming tech ngayon, 3D printers, airbrushes, resin mods, ay minsan nakaka-overwhelm. Look at this MGSD Destiny. Just a clean cut, a bit of sanding, and the snap fit is so satisfying. Minsan, kailangan mo lang ng isang malinis na cut. Nakarelate ba kayo? Sa buhay, hindi naman kailangan laging over the top. Minsan, ang kailangan mo lang ay isang malinis na cut. Pang-alis sa mga toxic na bagay sa paligid mo. You can sand down the rough edges of your day. It's the basics that keep us grounded. The wings of light. Sa anime, the Destiny is all about speed and power. Sa atin, it's about finding that speed sa ating trabaho para meron tayong power pag-uwi sa ating family at sa ating hobby. Ang ganda ng proportions nito, di ba? It's cute but aggressive. Parang tayo pag may naririnig na bagong stocks sa shop. Biglang nag-activate yung seed factor natin. Passion keeps us young. It prevents us from becoming just another adult na nakalimutan ng tumawa. Building this kit isn't just about finishing a toy. It's about the minutes of silence while you're building it. It's the focus you give when the world is demanding too much. We don't build because we have too much time. We build because it makes the time we have worth it. The MGSD Destiny is a reminder. You can be small in the big world, but you can still pack a punch and shine bright. Huwag mong hayaang maging backlog ang kaligayahan mo. Build your passion, one gate at a time. Dahil sa dulo ng araw, ikaw ang piloto ng sarili mong destiny. Again, this is Tuna Arhatrad. Just build more and build up.